Good evening. Once again, we are given a question where we are requested to calculate the value of A and B if we are given this question here. So now, this is what we're gonna do. Ne? This is how you solve this question. So you're gonna have what? You're gonna have 5 to the power. So 5 to the power 14. So now on top here, we have to make sure we have the same exponent, which is 5 to the power 12, so that we can be able to have a common factor between these two. So now we're going to have 5 to the power 12. So we're going to change 5 to the power 14 to become 5 to the power 12 because 12 is the lowest exponent there. So now we're going to have multiplied by 5 to the power 2 minus 5 to the power 12. So now we are using the law of exponent, because these two bases, when they multiply each other, the exponent are gonna add each other, then we're gonna get our 14 there. So now we all divide everything by 6. So now we're gonna have what? We're gonna have 5 to the power 12, then into, it's our common factor there. So now we're going into what? Into 5 to the power 2 minus 1. So now we divide everything by 6 there. So now we're going to have what? We're going to have square root of 5 to the power 12 into 5 to the power 2 minus 1, which is going to be 5 to the power 12 into 24, because 5 to the power 2 is what? Is 25 minus 1 is 24. So now divide by 6. So now we're going to have what? We're going to continue having our beautiful square root there, which is going to be 5 to the power 12 into 24. 24 divided by 6 is going to be what? It's going to be 4. So now we know this, we're going to have 5 to the power 12 multiplied by root of 4. So now we're going to have what? We're going to have 5 to the power 12 into 1 over 2 multiplied by 4 into 1 over 2. So now we're going to have what? We're going to have 5 to the power what? To the power 1006 multiplied by 2. So now what are we going to have? Now we are going to have 2 into 5 to the power 106, because our question is given like this. So now, therefore, our A now is going to be what? Is going to be 2. Then your B is going to be the exponent of 5, which is 1006. So that's your answers there.